A common question I get is whether Pilates workouts include warm-ups. The answer is yes, but the shorter the workout is, the shorter the warm-up is going to be. So your body may appreciate a more extended warm-up, or maybe you wake up and are feeling a little bit stiffer, and so you want to move with more of a warm-up before a Pilates class. So this standing Pilates warm-up is perfect to pair with any Pilates workout, or my favorite combination is right before my cardiovascular work. Really just gets my body moving a little bit more before going into my cardio warm-up, which is a very repetitive movement, so we get a diversified movements with Pilates. You won't need any equipment for this session. We're going to be doing all of the exercises standing as well. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. Let's begin standing with the feet and legs parallel. Soft bend with the knees. Hands can be on the thighs here. Inhale, prepare, and exhale, curve and round through pelvis and low spine, and then go back to natural curves. So the pelvis is going to curl and round towards the belly button. The low spine opens and stretches, and then return. As we do this first movement, the rest of the body, the shoulders, the upper back, the neck, all stay relatively still. So if you'd like to sync this with breath, you take a deep breath out to round through, stretching the back. Inhale to return. And another time here. And roll yourself up to a standing position. Feet can be parallel. I'll mirror you. Hands behind head. Left leg reaches forward in big circles with the left ankle. The head's going to gently press into the hands here and reverse the direction of circle. So just a little balance check. Very nice. Pause. Pull the knee up and towards you. Take foot behind you into a mini lunge. And now bend over to your right side, stretching left, and come right back up again. And same side. Exhale, bend. Inhale up. And just take this at your own pace, so you can move even slower if you'd like. I wouldn't recommend moving too much more quickly. You might miss out on the stretch that way. Very nice. We'll stay up, bring the back leg in, and replace. Opposite leg reaches forward, circle the ankle. Head gently presses into hand, reverse the direction of the ankle. Perfect opportunity to breathe a little bit more deeply here. Pausing, knee up, reach back to your small, short lunge, and bend over to left side. And coming up. So feel free, take your time. Continue breathing deeply. And even though we're in a stagger position here, front leg bent, back leg straight, really pressing into both feet, head gently pressing against hands. And one last time. Very nice. Stay center, back leg comes up, both feet down. Open arms across from the shoulders now and rotate to one side. And come back center and rotate second side. And center. Really still trying to sense equal press into the feet. And noticing, can we get rotation a little bit higher up? So rather than whole body rotating, think upper spine is doing this rotation for you. Let's do one more time each side. Very nice. Come back to our starting position. And exhale, curve and round, lower back. Go back, natural curves. This time, extend through upper mid-spine. And natural curves. Let's do upper mid-spine again. So extend upper mid-spine. Natural curves. This time, lower spine staying nice and still. If you want to sync this with breath, it can be inhale to extend, exhale, natural curves. Another time. And now round through the entire spine. Inhale, extend through the entire spine. And do a few more of these at your own pace, really warming up through the back, keeping and maintaining the bend in the knees. That keeps a little bit more activation and work into the legs for you. Rolling all the way up to standing. Take a deep breath for yourself here. Inhale and exhale. Hopefully body feeling so much better after that short Pilates warm-up. And now you're ready to move on to another Pilates workout. I recommend the one that you're seeing right now. I hope that you have a beautiful day and can join me on the mat soon.